Stop by and take a look at the 2019 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths and is priced below $70,000. This vehicle has less than 400 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, power retractable running boards, tow hitch, heated mirrors, bed liner, aluminum wheels, brake assist, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.